If you're interested in learning tarot, then don't worry, it's easy and fun to start. In this video we will explain to you in some simple steps how to get started out with tarot. If you want to know in detail about tarot and understand its concepts, you can watch the part 1 video of this series on tarot. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Get a deck of cards. First, get a tarot deck. There are a lot of beautiful decks to choose from, so pick the one that speaks to your heart. Traditional decks like the Rider-Waite or the Fountain Tarot, which is the most beautiful deck of tarot cards recommended for beginners. Each card has dreamy pictures and could be a piece of astral art or modern art. Step 2. Talk to your deck. Now, let's get to know your tarot deck better. Keep it in your hands, feel how strong it is, and spend some time getting to know each card. Think of it like a new friend. The more you get to know it, the more accurate your readings may be. Note: you should clean the deck if someone else has used the cards before or if they were given to you. You want to get rid of the energy of other people and replace it with your own. First, smoke sage and use it to clean the cards. Then talk to all of the single cards in the deck. Look at the picture on the card and think about it for a minute. Do this with each card. Step 3. Take a look at the cards. The 78 cards in a tarot deck are split into two parts: the Major Arcana and the Minor Arcana. The Major Arcana is all about big life events and faith growth, while the Minor Arcana is all about small, daily stories. Minor Arcana cards fit into 4 categories: Wands, Cups, Swords, and Pentacles. So, learn as much as you can about the tarot cards and what they mean. Most tarot decks come with a book that tells you what the symbols, numbers, and meanings on each card mean. You can also learn how to use tarot cards with online tools and books. Also, if you are just starting out and working by yourself, many people do a daily card pull, where they take one card from the deck and think about what it means. If you do it in the morning, you might remember it throughout the day. It is a pleasant way to learn more about the cards. Step 4. Come up with the right questions. Take a deep breath, clear your mind, wake up your instincts, and set a clear goal for what you want to learn or gain insight into before each reading. This can help you focus your energy and direct the reading to a certain part of your life or question. Ask clear, interesting, and open-ended questions. This will help the tarot give you better answers. Rather than asking, "Will I find love?" try to ask yourself, "What can I do to bring love into my life?" Make the question more powerful and less like a guess. Step 5. Shuffle the cards and pick one. Mix up the cards while you think about what your question is. When you feel ready, draw a bunch of cards and spread them out in a spread. Beginners should start with an easy 3-card spread. One card for the past, one for the present, and one for the future. As your skills improve, you can try more difficult patterns. Note: please leave the 10-card Celtic move spread alone until you feel like you can read tarot cards well on your own. This is not for first-timers. Step 6. Figure out what the cards mean. Now comes the most fun part: figuring out what the cards mean. Do what makes sense to you. Look at the pictures, the stories, the signs, and the numbers, and listen to your inner voice. Remember what each card means and how it fits into the game. Think about what the cards are trying to tell you. Note: before you look up the meanings on the internet, you should choose one on your own. Your gut will lead you to the answers you're looking for. Step 7. Keep a tarot magazine around. Keeping a tarot book can be very important not only for a beginner but also for an expert. It helps a lot to keep track of what you read, how you understand it, what you learn from it, and what you do next. This will help you keep track of your own growth and success, see trends, and think about what the cards are telling you. Step 8. Practice, practice, practice. Tarot reading is like any skill: practice makes perfect. Draw regularly, read for your friends, and write observations. Time will improve your reading's accuracy and understanding. Using tarot more makes you more comfortable and confident. Draw a card daily and pose questions such as: what do I need to know today? What will support my aims today? What is the greatest way to manage my existing relationship? Step 9. Seek steerage and mastering. Do not be afraid to searching for steerage from experienced tarot readers or be a part of tarot groups online or an individual. Sharing studies and getting to know from others can beautify your understanding and boom. Step 10. Embrace the adventure. Tarot isn't always approximately predicting the future. It is about gaining awareness and guidance. Embrace the adventure of self-discovery and private growth that tarot gives. Be open to new views and agree with the manner. Be patient with yourself and open to mastering and exploring. Include the mysteries, embrace the magic, and experience the beautiful experience of tarot. Keep in mind, beginning with tarot may be a transformative and enriching revelation. Whether or not you are seeking steering, insights, or certainly wish to explore your instinct, tarot cards provide a delightful gateway into the nation-states of mystery and know-how. Tarot is a tool to help you connect to your intuition and benefit readability in your life. So, agree with your instinct and permit the tarot cards be your smart partners in this captivating adventure of self-discovery and empowerment. Stay curious and enjoy the magic of tarot as you explore the depths of your soul and the universe. Pulling tarot cards is a simple but significant method that opens the door to insights and guidance. Here is a step-by-step manual on how to pull tarot cards. Set your intention. Before you start, take a second to set a clean goal to your tarot analysis. What do you need steering on? What are you looking for? What answers do you want? Having a particular goal will assist you to focus on your reading. Create relaxed surroundings. Find a quiet and sacred space where you may listen without distractions. Light a candle, play soothing song, or use any other factors that assist you loosen up and connect with your internal self. Open your tarot deck. Take a few deep breaths and ask your spirit guides to be with you in the course of the reading. While still keeping the cards in your hand, knock or tap the pile of cards several times to transfer your energy into the deck. Shuffle the deck. Take your tarot deck and shuffle it lightly. As you shuffle, consider your question or goal. Shuffle in any way that feels comfortable. Overhand, riffle, or even spreading the cards out and combining them together with your hands. Cut the playing cards into 3 piles and then place them into one pile again. Lay out the cards. Put the cards face down in front of you. While you're ready, turn them over one by one. Pay attention to the images, symbols, and emotions that rise up as you screen every card. Draw cards. It is the final step to pull out a card. While keeping the cards, draw the number of cards that feels right for your reading. You could pick out a single card for a quick understanding or pull a couple of cards for a better analysis. Keep in mind, there is no proper right or wrong way to pull tarot cards. The important thing is to accept with your instinct and be open to the insights that the cards offer. With practice, you may develop a deeper understanding to tarot, making your readings even extra significant and insightful. Go to astrosawal.com or download our app from App Store or Google Play Store to uncover the hidden mysteries of your life.